Hello friends, welcome to Health and Fitness YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Fiz. In today's video, we will be discussing tips to improve gut health. Weight, skin and immunity depend on gut health. That is why it is called good health comes from gut. So what are the signs of unhealthy gut? Some people have acidity, indigestion, nausea, vomiting, gas problems, heartburn, diarrhea, constipation, food intolerance, acne, low immunity, as they catch quick infections, are the signs of unhealthy gut. In this video, we will discuss tips to overcome these problems. But first, let me briefly explain what gut health is. Gut health refers to the overall well-being and optimal functioning of gastrointestinal tract, which includes stomach, intestine, and associated organs. A healthy gut is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, immune system function, and even influences aspects of mental health. It centers around maintaining a balance of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, within the gut, collectively known as the gut microbiota or gut microbiome. What are the key components of gut health? The key components of gut health include microbiota balance, digestive function, nutrient absorption, immune system support, brain gut connection, inflammation, synthesis of compounds, mucosal integrity. Factors of poor gut. Following are the factors which leads to the irregular gut movement, poor diet, excessive intake of antibiotics, chronic stress, lack of sleep, aging. Foods that improve gut health. Fermented food includes probiotic foods contain life beneficial bacteria that support gut health and digestion when consumed, promoting a balanced microbiome and potential health benefits such as yogurt, sourdough bread, pickles. They have good live bacteria and decrease bad bacteria in stomach. Fiber containing foods. Fiber containing foods contribute to improve gut health by promoting regular bowel movements and providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing digestion and potentially reducing the risk of GI issues such as apple, garlic, onion, jaggery, and oatmeal. High fiber foods. High fiber foods such as whole grains, fruits and vegetables regulate bowel movement. Nuts and seeds are good for people suffering from constipation. Omega 3 rich food. Walnut, chia seeds kill bad bacteria. They are good for heart, improve mood and memory, and also improve eyes and bones. Polyphenol foods. Compounds present in berries, dark chocolate, and green tea are also useful for gut health. Tips to improve gut health. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Number 2. If you don't have BP, use rock salt in hot water. It will cleanse your intestine. But remember, if you have BP, don't use salt. Number 3. Increase fiber quantity and decrease processed food. Number 5. Take lemon and honey in water in morning. It is very beneficial for gut problems. It will cleanse your stomach. But remember, if you have diabetes, then don't take honey. Number 5. Take fresh juices and smoothies of a combination of fruits and vegetables. Number 6. Take herbal tea. Number 7. Take ginger water. It decreases inflammation, control BP, and prevent cancer. Boil ginger in hot water, then consume it. Take starch products such as legumes. Take foods with probiotics like apple, yogurt, and vinegar. Fasting. Once a month fasting, it will give rest to your stomach. Peppermint consumption is also good for gut. Hinge powder is also useful for gut. Now we will be discussing 4R technique. This technique is used to improve gut health. This include removal, replacement, re-inoculate, and repair. This 4R technique will reverse unhealthy gut condition. It is 100% natural and have long-term benefits. Number 1. Removal. The removal process is followed for 3 to 4 weeks. Inflammation producing food is cut down from diet such as rice, soya, dairy, sugar. Their replacement foods are used. Replacement therapy is used for 4 months. Or the inflammation causing foods such as wheat is replaced by gluten free grains. White rice is replaced by brown rice or millets. Dairy is replaced by plant based products. Fruits like mango, banana, which are higher in sugar, are replaced by watery and citrus fruits. Starchy vegetables such as potatoes, corn, are replaced by fiber rich vegetables like cabbages and cucumber. Fried food is replaced by healthy fats like nuts, coconut oil, and ghee. Re-inoculate. In this step, we focus on good gut bacteria, foods that improve good gut health like fermented food, probiotic, fiber, high fiber food, omega 3 rich food, polyphenol foods are incorporated in diet. Follow this step for 6 to 12 months. Repair. Omega 3, omega 6, and zinc foods are included like lentils, nuts, beans, seeds, eggs, and whole grains. Anti inflammatory spices like cinnamon, turmeric are very useful for gut health. This 4R technique will completely resolve gut related issues if you religiously follow. If you like our video, do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get all the notification. Till then, bye bye.